Any Switch 2 player knows the official dock is great, but it's a bit of a brick, not exactly travel friendly. Today, Hanson's showing off a much lighter and more portable Switch 2 television dock. First up, look at the size. It's super compact, way less than half the size of the official one. Taking it out and about is a breeze now. Just slide your console into the front slot. See? Even if you give it a wiggle, it stays put.
Okay.
The edges are nice and rounded, so no sharp corners to dig into your hands. And if you've got kids running around, no worries about bumps and bruises. Flip it over to the back, and you've got 5 ports. A Type-C power port. It works with a wide range of chargers. Your official adapter is still your best bet. An HDMI out port. Pumps out 4K at up to 120 FPS. Hook it up to your 4K television and play Zelda. The picture looks just as good as the official dock. Honestly, you can't tell the difference. An Ethernet port. Gives you a rock-solid wired gigabit connection. Perfect for lag-free online gaming. 2 USB 3.0 ports. Plug in your wired controllers here. Over on the side, there's a handy television toggle button. Tap it once like this to switch the video between your television and your Switch screen. We also put it to the test. Played games for an hour each on the official dock and this television dock, then check the console's temperature. No real difference between them. So, no need to sweat it. It won't make your Switch overheat. Bottom line, if you're always taking your Switch on the go, or just want a spare dock handy, this dock gives you way more bang for your buck.